Hi everyone, this is Allie K Creations and I am Allie, and today I'm going to share with you a few more hauls I had got. This one is from another place I like to shop called Ellen Hudson. If you join her Facebook group, she gives you a coupon when you shop. If you shop, I think it's usually in 2 consecutive months, she will also send you a coupon. They always have great deals. And her line of stamps, Essentials by Ellen, are so nice. They come in these sleeves that are very thick and already in there for you, labeled. Really, really nice. So this is my first one, Dynamite Halloween. I had to get this. It's so cute. My son loves dinosaurs right now, and I just couldn't wait to put that little mask on his face. I already did make a card with this, and I love the sentiments. Hey girlfriend, I'm batty for you. Hashtag squad ghouls. Hey beautiful. Love it. And then I picked out a few paper pads from Fawn, which I have not even opened up yet. I'll do that. I'm just gonna trying not to destroy the pad. All right, so this is Nitpicky. That is really cute. I love the blues and aquas and greens for fall. Fall's my favorite. This one is the Snow Day Remix. One-sided. Cute. Really, really cute. I love when paper pads have like the snow backgrounds or star backgrounds. This is really neat too. The music, so cute. I love these little bunnies. Very, very cute. Okay, so then I got, this is a new one, Tree Before and Afters. And I just love this. What a great idea. I would love to put this all together on one card. I was watching what some of the design teams did. And then I did get this die set to go with this one. This is Dynamite Christmas. And again, in that nice packaging. And this too has such cute sentiments. Have a Dynamite Christmas. Wrapped a present for you. Dig in. And fa ra 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 ra. Love it. Okay, and then this is an older stamp set. I believe this came out last year, and I always wanted it, and I never picked it up. So I got this one by Sunny Studios. Happy Holidays. And see this little tree here? You can put it on one of the owls, or you could put reindeer ears on. Just really cute. Okay, and then I had to pick up the Hello Bluebird. They had come out with some really, really cute Halloween stamps. This is Tabitha. I love the little bats and the kitties. And the little girl, again, she reminds me of my daughter. I got the Spooky Spellers. I just thought that was so different, and you can use them for more than just Halloween. You can use these letters, or if you have another stamp set with just letters. Really cute. And I did get the dies to go with those. That's one thing with Hello Bluebird. I find that their dies are really, really reasonable. So if I buy a set that has a lot of little pieces in it like these do, I will tend to pick up the dies from them. And then I got the Lawn Fawn Sparkle cardstock in autumn. I have never used their cardstock before. I generally stick with Stampin' Up cardstock, but these were so pretty. I'm hoping that they're going to be no shed. So we will find out. Let me know if you buy their cardstocks. What do you think of them? And I don't know if any of you have the glitter, if it's no shed. And then with Ellen Hudson, she always sends you a cute little thank you with some ribbon. And this is from Not Too Shabby. And I don't think I have her card over here, but I shop here all the time too. She has a points program. She gives you free shipping with 60, and then she's always got extra codes to get 10% off if you watch some of her design team. So I like to buy there too. And this is a new one. She's been carrying the rabbit hole designs, and this is the caffeinated butterfly, which is so cute. I have some other caffeinated critters. If you have not seen this line, go to the Rabbit Hole Designs page, and either on Facebook or their blog. But they have some really, really cute images. This is Pink and Main, the reverse scallop rectangle dies. I love buying Pink and Main's dies, if not only for the reason that they are pink and they are fun to use. But I just thought that was so cute. I've been wanting this one for a long time. And then this was from last year as well, I believe, the film strip die, Sunny Snippets. It's actually called Fall Flicks film strip. And I just thought that was so cool. I've been liking some of these dies that basically make your card front. And this comes with a bunch of pumpkin dies and flower dies for fall. This is a new one from Sunny Studios called Merry Mice. And I just love all these little critters. I've been really liking this year all the stamp sets that turned different animals into snowmen. So this one has the mouse, which is so cute. And I love that they have a cheese tree. So cute. This is the Lawn Fawn house die. I can't see what that's called. Build a house die. I wanted to try this out because I've been seeing a lot of people use this, and I just think it's coming out so cute on the cards. And to go with it, I bought the Halloween add-on and then the Christmas add-on. So I'm hoping that I can get to the Christmas one, seeing as I missed working with the Halloween one. Okay, and then my last haul is from Simon Says Stamp, and hi everyone, this is Allie from Allie K Creations. And today I am going to show you a haul that I got from Simon Says Stamp. This was during, I think, this is actually from a couple purchases with them. I know I bought during Stamptember, and then I think I also made a purchase, I want to say maybe in October, but I don't remember. I know it's a few purchases. So let's start first with the Stamptember set. So this was Lawn Fawn's Snow Bunny set. And I think I mentioned in a previous video, I am loving all the animals they are making into snowmen this year. And I just thought this was so cute. Everything is cute. That's why I spend way too much money. This little carrot as a present. Love it. So I'm hoping to use this with the paper I had bought from scrapbook.com, that Snow Days remix. And make a card with that. And this is Penny Black, Autumn Bliss. I just thought those pumpkins were beautiful. I think I want to watercolor those. Penny Black, I know they have been around for a very, very long time, but I have never bought any of their stamps before, and I caught one of their reveals during when this came out. I think it was September maybe. And all their sets are so cute, and I love how they give you an idea on the back of colors. But I've seen like their bunnies and bears and some of their lines of their animals that I would like to try to get some of those to color up. And I like that their stamps are bigger. I like some of the bigger images. This is Trinity stamps. This is Autumn Forest Friends. And I just fell in love with this cute little fox with his scarf and their little wagon. I think that would be so much fun to color up some of all this stuff and put it in the wagon with all the characters. And then I had to buy the dies to go with that. And then for Halloween, I had bought this for Tim Holt Stampers Anonymous. I just loved his little characters. So different. Sometimes I do play around with some of the mixed media stuff. So I've been trying to buy some of the stuff that looks a little bit more, I don't know how to say it, I guess mixed media type. Because I don't know, you wouldn't have to do too much coloring to these, or just lightly. I love Let's Get Smashed, Foolish Mortals, Creeping It Real. Those are fun. And then Whimsy Stamps came out with some of these dies for card fronts. And Wonky Windows #2. I've seen a lot of people using these, and I just think they're so fun because you can color this or put this on top of something you use Distress Oxides on, watercolored, or you can use the paper, pattern paper, and it just makes it fun. And then this is the Slimline Marquee die. I love this, and I've used this on a couple cards. But again, it just makes your card fronts so quick and easy. And I'm trying to get myself to use more of my pattern paper because I have so much of it. This was their stencil, the Layered Birch Tree stencil. And it comes with, I believe, 3 stencils in there, so you can do the trees and leaves. I thought that was so cute. I can't wait to play with that. Okay, so with all of my dies, I do not have a fence die. So I like this spooky fence from Pretty Pink Posh. And I think you can use it for other things. I mean, it looks like a little wonky. I don't think it just has to be spooky. Okay, so then this is the Gina K Stampin' Stencil. And I have some of her previous ones, and I saw this fall one, and I love the trees. How you can stamp the leaves, or you can stencil them, or stamp and then stencil them. I just thought that was so pretty. And then I did buy the die for this one because I wasn't sure how I would cut that out. But that will be fun to try out. I have a lot of her glitter gels too, and I love her glitter gel. It glides on so nice. I don't know if anyone else has any. And then I had gotten this with one of my orders. Let's see, did this expire? Nope, this is still good. So cute. I love when they include these. All right. This is by Hero Arts. I believe this was an add-on to one of their kits. This is, I just see a number, but I don't see a name on here. But I just thought it was a different set. I like the little bug and crystal ball here with the kitty. I have 2 kitties, so I do like kitty stamps. But really cute. All right, and this is by Whimsy. And again, I love the kitties. And got peepers. So cute. They had a kit that came out that had sort of like this cat in it that I missed. And I just thought that kit was so cute. So when they came out with this stamp set, I knew I wanted it. And I love how they did the pail here with the candy and the spooky face. All right, and then Clearly Besotted. This is an older stamp set too that I had wanted and never picked up. So I grabbed this one, Who to You. I love how he's a bat and a pumpkin head, mummy, and a witch. So cute. Okay, and then I got Pink and Main Cloudy Frame Dies. Again, I've seen this used on a lot of cards and I just love it as a border for a stamp. Maybe I can use some more patterned paper in the middle. And again, it's pink. And then I got another Clearly Besotted set. This one, Seasonal Lineup. I've been liking how they've been putting some of their characters together, and I just think it is so stinking cute. That'll be so much fun to color. And again, you can put these all in one card, like a seasonal type of card with like those lawn fawn trees that were different seasons, or you can use them all separate. They have another one that's, I think, just a Christmas lineup that I think is really cute that I would like to get, but I think it was sold out when I tried to buy that one. And then from there, I got some envelopes too. I got the large V flap and the metallic silver V flap. And I think these were on sale, so I decided to pick those up. I like the long flap on those. I think that's neat. Okay, and then I'm going to show you too. I had just gotten a small order with Unity stamps. I like their Cuttlebug line, so I've been starting to buy some of these. And let's see, this is the little raccoon. I just think he's so sweet. And this is by Tara Jackson. So sweet. And then I thought to go with this. This is S'mores. And this is a background stamp. And I like that that comes out. But I have some camping stuff that I thought I would do, and we went camping this year, so I thought that would be perfect. So I wanted to make a few camping things. Sometimes when I make cards, I'll stick them in my scrapbooks if I don't have anything else to do with them, or if I don't send them to anyone, and that's fun. And Unity always sends like a little gift with their order, which is very sweet of them. I don't know. And this one got a tag and some little plastic pieces there. So very cute, very nice. A little something. It's always fun to get a little surprise. So that's it. Can you believe there's still other stuff I want, because now of course they're coming out with Christmas stuff. So until then, bye guys.